Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essentials. Check iOS version in settings so you know compatibility, and make an immediate backup using iCloud or Finder to protect data. Once done, search for Calculator in the app library and via System Search. This saves time if the app is merely hidden. If the app is missing, make sure you have internet and your Apple ID signed in. Those allow redownload. Now you're ready to move into reinstalling and restoring app state. Start the reinstallation next. You reinstall the calculator from the App Store by searching for Apple Calculator and tapping the cloud icon or Get. Authenticate with your Apple ID when requested. Once installed, press and hold to drag it onto your home screen or use Add to Home Screen in the app library. Make sure basic functions, addition, subtraction, memory keys, work. This confirms app integrity. If you relied on third-party calculator data, restore from your earlier backup or reconfigure settings now, so the app behaves as it did before. You finish by testing advanced features like scientific functions and rotation, making sure orientation lock is off. If the calculator fails to download, inspect available storage, Wi-Fi or cellular connection, and confirm your Apple ID is active. Fix those and retry. If app-specific data didn't return, restore the device from your backup, but only after weighing data changes. Finally, if things still go wrong, restart the iPhone and sign out, then back into Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.